Hello and welcome to 942 Central. Got a nice big flat here. Lovely front room, vintage floors, vintage fireplace. This thing is amazing. A lot of built-ins with the cabinets. Wait until you see the rest of the place. Let's go ahead and step on into the next room. It's a little bit darker because it is a little bit further off the street, but really, really nice and quiet. Big, huge, enormous closet, which is great. And then we'll go ahead and we'll step on down the hallway a little bit farther. We have a smaller bedroom in here. Again, off the street, so it is a little bit darker, but really, really nice and quiet. And then we've got our bathroom. Amazing tile. You've got to check out all of the tile on the floor here and then the tile in the bathtub. Really, really nice job that they've done here. Stand-up sink, toilet, bathtub, shower. And then we'll go on into our living room. Another fireplace. Lots of built-ins here. These are beautiful vintage details, and I just want you to take a second just to look at the ceilings as well, because you don't see this a whole lot anymore, and these are fantastic. Really gives the whole entire room a bunch of extra space. Also gives you that beautiful vintage feel to it. And then we'll step on into the kitchen. Kitchen has all been redone. Lots and lots of cabinetry, gas stove, farmhouse sink. Really, really nice, big, huge refrigerator. We have another room off of here, which could serve as another office, whichever you prefer. And then we'll go ahead and take a little peek outside. Backyard is being redone. Absolutely beautiful on a nice day like today. And also, if you're a jasmine fan, the jasmine smells amazing. So I hope you can come by and see this very, very soon. This place is an absolute gem. I think you'll really, really love it. Thank you so much for viewing this. Bye-bye.